guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the extended front post double crochet stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains. You will need to know how to make the double crochet stitch and how to make the extended double crochet stitch. I have videos on all those and I will have them listed down below. I have made a little test swatch here using two different colors, so it's going to be easy to see how the stitch is going to be made. I will have the yarn that I'm using and the hook that I'm using listed down below. For the body of my test swatch, I made regular double crochet stitches. In the row that I'm currently working, I made 3 chains, and then I made a regular extended double crochet into this first stitch right here. So I'm ready to make my first extended front post double crochet stitch. So what you're going to do is wrap the yarn around your hook one time. You're then going to insert your hook in between this stitch that you just worked and this stitch that you would normally work into next. You'd work into the top of it. We're actually going to be working in between this space right here in between them. You're going to insert your hook in the front of your work. It's going to poke out the back. Then you're going to wrap it behind that next stitch, so it's going to poke out on the other side. You're going to grab that yarn you're working with and you're going to pull it through and around that stitch. And this is where you would make a extended double crochet. Yarn over, take it through only 1 loop. Yarn over, take it through 2 loops. Yarn over, take it through the last 2 loops. And that's going to be one extended front post double crochet stitch made. Alright, I'm making a regular extended double in between these just so we can see the difference. Again, yarn over your hook one time. You're going to insert your hook in between the stitch that we just worked in the next stitch that you would normally work into right here. You're going to insert it in between them into this open space. It's going to poke out the back of your work, but you're going to wrap it behind this next stitch. It's going to poke out the other side of that next stitch. You're going to grab that yarn, you're going to take it through and around the back of that stitch. Yarn over, take it through 1 loop only. Yarn over, take it through 2 loops. Yarn over, take it through 2 loops. Just doing an extended in the next one. Alright, yarn over your hook one time. Insert your hook in between this stitch and this stitch into this open space. It's going to poke out the back, but you're going to take it behind that next stitch. It's going to poke out the other side. Grab that yarn you were working with. Take it through and around the back of that stitch. Yarn over, take it through 1 loop. Yarn over, take that yarn through 2 loops. Yarn over, take that yarn through the last 2 loops. Again, yarn over your hook one time. Insert your hook in between these stitches right here. It's going to be in this space. You're going to poke it out on the other side, the back of your work. But you're actually going to take it behind that next stitch, so it's going to poke out on the other side of that next stitch. Grab your yarn, take it through that and around the back of that stitch. Yarn over, take it through 1 loop only. Yarn over, take it through 2 loops. Yarn over, take it through the last 2 loops. Regular extended. Extended front post double. This is what it's going to look like. And you can see from the ones that we've already made that they are a little bit more raised, and that's why I'm doing regular extended in between them to show how they are raised, and the other ones are sort of recessed into the work. And do a regular extended in this stitch right here. Yarn over your hook. Take it in between these stitches right here. You're going to insert it right here. It's going to go behind that stitch, poke out on the other side. Grab that yarn, pull it through and around. Yarn over, take it through 1 loop. Yarn over, take it through 2. Yarn over, take it through the last 2. Again, start with a yarn over. Insert your hook in between these stitches right here. It's going to poke out the back, but you're going to wrap it behind that next stitch. It's going to poke out on the other side. You're going to grab your yarn, you're going to pull it through and around. Yarn over, take it through 1 loop. Yarn over, take it through 2 loops, yarn over, take it through 2 loops. I'm going to do one extended into this last stitch right here. So this is what the front of your stitches are going to look like. And this is what the back is going to look like. You can see that there is a little ridge raised right here. And that is going to be how to make the extended front post double crochet stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos or tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here. Have a great day.